How are common industrial boilers made? Well, in the beginning, someone found that when boiling water, the lid would always bounce off the pot due to the water vapor coming off the boiling hot water. The more you tried to push the lid on, the more rebound would be produced. By 1672, the Belgian missionary Ferdinand Verbiest used this principle to create the first steam power unit by heating water in a pot. This unit produces water vapor, which is used to turn a bladed wheel. And then this rotating action becomes the power that drives the car. In various industrial boiler water models, normal temperature water is first used to heat the boiler through the water pipe, to subsequently supply steam to various industrial sectors. How is water supplied to the boiler for heating? The assistance of vertical pumping is required. The vertical pump primarily consists of a motor, a pump head, a pump body, and a base. It is often used to transport liquids for boilers and other large machines. Compared with horizontal pumping, vertical pumping is done in small volumes. In metropolitan areas where land is expensive, saving floor space saves the user money. The pump inlet and outlet are on the same line, so the construction piping method enters from the left and exits through the right. Unlike a horizontal pump's upper and lower piping, a vertical pump is not only more convenient, but also beautiful. Vertical pump motors, shaft seals, and water machines can be easily disassembled to provide maintenance. If a vertical pump bearing is damaged, it can be repaired simply by detaching the motor. However, if a horizontal pump bearing is damaged, the whole pump has to be disassembled. The vertical pump uses a clip-on shaft seal that can be easily maintained without detaching pipes. Horizontal pumps require that both the pipes and pump body are removed for repair. Overall, the vertical pump features the remove-only problem parts for repair advantage, which means that it has a shorter maintenance time and is more convenient. As for performance, regardless of head or flow, the vertical pump can achieve superior performance than horizontal pumping. Therefore, the use of vertical pumps is preferred for water transportation in industrial sectors. After water is used in a boiler, energy-saving solutions commonly used in the industry are implemented for recycling. However, the water temperature often still has a certain heat after reflow. Under cyclic use, as the water is vaporized by heating at a high temperature, the steam moves upwards. A certain amount of water is consumed during the transportation process, which may cause damage to water pipes and machinery. In the long run, the shaft seal may also be at risk of coking or cracking. How should we deal with such boiler problems? There are two solutions. First, add a make-up pump to stabilize water flow. If a certain amount of evaporated water in transport is lost due to thermal energy, install a multi-stage centrifugal pump with TPH level pursuant to the amount of water evaporation. According to the number of tons of evaporation during transport, select the corresponding model. For example, if the evaporation amount is 2 tons, the TPH 2T model can be selected as the hydration water pump. Second, install a transparent tube to force the exhaust. At the priming plug of the pump, install a transparent tube of about 2 to 3 millimeters. When the water temperature rises and subsequently produces gas, said gas can then be discharged from the transparent tube, which resolves the problem of damage to the inside of the machine due to the generation of hot air. Walrus Pump has considerable experience in pump manufacturing for many years, during which time a number of improvements have been made to industrial pumps. TPR series vertical multi-stage centrifugal pumps can be applied to a variety of boiler heating, cooling water supply systems, high-pressure flushing systems, and cooling air conditioning systems. Under the usage conditions of your machine, make your production performance even better. Walrus, better life through innovation.